What does it really mean to realize the self? The answer to that question was at the heart of everything Paramahansa Yogananda taught. In this video, I will share my understanding of self-realization, how Yogananda described it, and why it is more relevant than ever in today's busy world. Self-realization is the knowing in body, mind and soul that we are one with the infinite. It is not a belief, but a deep experience, a direct inner knowing of our true nature as spirit, not the ego or personality. Yogananda didn't ask us to just believe in God. He taught us to experience the divine presence within ourselves. Self-realization is not about becoming perfect, escaping the world, or achieving something external. It is not about labels or belonging to a certain religion. It is about awakening to who and what we already are. Yogananda often reminded us that we are not mere bodies or minds, that we are divine souls, made in the image of God. He taught that we are not here to become something else, but to remember who we truly are, ever existing, ever conscious, ever new bliss. To me, personally, self-realization means that I can face life with more peace, more love, and less fear. It reminds me that I am not alone, even in silence. When I take time to be still, whether in meditation or just a few mindful breaths, I can feel that deeper part of me beyond the noise. In today's world, we are bombarded by distractions and stress all the time. But Yogananda showed that even just a few moments of going within can reconnect us to our source of clarity and strength. One of the first things Yogananda recommended was simply to sit quietly, close your eyes, and focus on the breath. He called the breath the cord that ties the soul to the body. Observing it with calm attention begins the inward journey. Self-realization is not a faraway goal. It is something we can grow into every day, little by little. Thank you for being here. I hope this video gave you something to reflect on. In the next one, I will share how Yogananda approached meditation and how it can transform your mind and heart.